So we're going to try this from scratch. We got this recipe here, and yeah, I'm not going to sound like that all the time. You're not going to be able to see my ugly fucking face. So let's get started. Okay. First thing we're going to do is put in 1 cup of sugar. Cup of sugar. Who knows if that's going to be too much sugar in the end. Next, we're going to get 1 cup and 1/4 of self-raising flour out of this. Just going to use the same cup. Next, 2 teaspoons of cocoa. Grab a teaspoon. We need 125 grams of bloop. And now that goes into, we're going to put that into the microwave to heat up. Okay. Oh, that's hurting. Put all that crap in. Next, milk. And then, I think the last ingredient is 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That's a half. Okay. More. That should work. Oh, what we forgot to add here, and we'll realize this later down the track, was we forgot to add 2 eggs. So that completes the recipe if you wanted to try it. 2 eggs. So yeah, let's keep watching and see if he notices this. Okay, so I got it to a point. Now, just cutting up with paper, the baking paper. Do this. Do this one more time. That is the current looking response. We're just gonna try and build it all up a little bit, balance it out. To the oven we go. And we're going to adjust that slightly. And now we're going to pray that it's good. Alright, I think it's about done. Take it out and have a look. Did I not put eggs in this? Shit. So, we forgot one of the crucial ingredients, which was 2 eggs. Maybe it's gonna taste alright. Maybe. Looks alright. Looks decent enough. Let's break a little bit off. Have a look. Look at that. Looks alright. Tastes alright. We're gonna try again one day. But today, that is our first attempt at cooking this recipe. We fucked up in one category, 2 eggs, but that's pretty much it. It looks decent, it tastes alright. I don't know what the fuck that is, but like, it looks alright. It's a little bit thin, so maybe I didn't get enough flour in there either. But I feel like there would have been, if we put eggs in, it might have buffed up a little bit. Anyway, no stress. We're figuring this out. We haven't really done anything like this before. Cooked it from scratch. We always use mixers. Anyway, this is Can Beez cook? Probably not. Oh, Beez cooks. Alright. Have a good one.